In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ryanair plane tickets. At this point in the process, you should already have completed all of your booking selections, including your route, travel dates, and any other options you want to include. Once everything is selected, you'll arrive at the payment stage, which is where you finalize the purchase. Take a moment to review your reservation carefully. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that all the key details are correct before you pay. Check your departure and return dates, your flight route, the number of passengers, and the total shown on the screen. If anything looks off, it's best to correct it now rather than after the booking is completed. Once you've reviewed the reservation and you're satisfied that everything is accurate, continue to the payment section to finalize your Ryanair ticket purchase. This is the stage where your booking moves from a reservation in progress to a confirmed trip, so it's worth slowing down and reading the page carefully. When you reach the payment options, select PayPal as your payment method. Choosing the correct payment option is important, especially if that's the method you plan to use for security, convenience, or access to your preferred funding source. Make sure the PayPal option is highlighted or selected before moving on. Next, look for the confirmation statement that says you have read and accepted the required terms. Click to confirm this acknowledgement before continuing. This step is standard during online purchases and is necessary to proceed. If the button to continue seems unavailable, it's often because this confirmation has not been selected yet. After that, click Pay Now. This action submits the payment and starts the final confirmation process for your booking. Depending on your setup, you may be redirected to PayPal to log in and approve the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions there to complete the payment securely. Once the payment goes through, wait for the confirmation page to load. It's a good idea to avoid refreshing the page or closing the browser during this moment, since the transaction may still be processing. After the booking is confirmed, you should receive confirmation details directly from the airline or through your selected payment flow. And that's it. By reviewing your reservation, selecting PayPal, accepting the terms, and clicking Pay Now, you can complete your Ryanair plane ticket purchase smoothly and confidently.